Everyone knows that cutting wood creates dust. It's messy and bad for the lungs, and that's why we add dust collection. Most woodworkers have run into the non-fitting hoses for dust collection. Too big, too small, and of course, the ones that pop off while you're trying to work. There has to be a better way. And now there is. Quick Snap from Infinity Tools. Our Small Tools Dust Collection Kit comes with flex adapters that fit and stay attached to your individual tools. The included 16-foot hose has a quick disconnect to attach to the flex adapter with a snap. The set comes with 5 different flex adapters to match your various tools. Each adapter includes our exclusive adjustable airflow regulator to provide the best air pressure for each tool. The hose mount to the collector is designed to fit most machines on the market today and screws on and off if the hose needs shortening or replacing. But these hoses are crush-proof, so they're designed to last. All the pieces are sold as a convenient complete kit. And you can also purchase replacement adapters for all the small tools in your shop. Don't fight with your tools, make dust collection a snap with Quick Snap.